What's going on, guys? Second part of the video here, just showing you guys with just single mulching blades do. My front lawn here was covered with leaves, and this is kind of the aftermath of going over it twice actually, just to get my angled diagonal stripes going here. But I'm going to go back over this with the bagger in the third part of the next video series that I make for you guys. But just showing you guys a before or after from just the single mulching blade before we put our X blades on, which will be 2 blades in one. But I just wanted to make sure we have something to go off of what our X blade setup might do a better job of. So as you can see here, the single blade does cut up a good amount of the leaves. And again, I am running a mower here, a walk behind mower, with just a side shoot blocker. It is not a true mulch kit setup to where it cuts off each section of the 3 blades that are on my 48-inch walk behind here. So everything is shooting off to the right. That's why we have a line on the right side of each pass here. But as you can see, we've got some cut up leaves. We got a couple of the more wet ones that still are pretty whole, or that maybe have just shot out to the side because of the air from the deck there. But a decent job in just showing you guys what we can get a neutral off of what we see with just a single mulching blade. So I'm going to go throw on the X blades, and then we'll head to the backyard where there's even more leaves and see how well the X blade setup works versus just one mulching blade.